Hi. So I had a problem with my Frigidaire double wall oven, 27-inch. I was getting an error code on the screen, F047. So I'm going to show you what I did to fix that error. Okay, so I went on the internet, I found the wiring diagram for this oven, for the Frigidaire oven, and I found out error code F047 is lower oven cooling fan speed too low. So here's the suggested corrective actions. I'm going to check those out. Okay, here's the inside of the oven. I took the fan shroud off and just make sure the fan spins. So it looks like it spins okay. There is a little bit of dirt on there, so what I'm gonna do is just gonna clean this fan, clean everything around it, make sure that there's no extra weight on the fan blades. There is a little extra oil on there right now. So I'm gonna clean all it off, put it back together and try it again. I cleaned it off. I just used a paper towel with a water vinegar mixture on it, about 50% vinegar, 50% water. Sprayed it down, wiped it off. It spins really nice. So I'm gonna clean the shroud and put it back together. Here we are with the shroud back on. So I'll start it up and test it out. Okay, it's coming up to temperature real nice. Check the oven out. It's moving real nice spinning. You can see the fan moving. Looks like it's working. So there it is. Close it back up. And kicks back on. So I think we got it. Thanks for watching, and if you liked the video, please subscribe to the channel.